Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on some aggregate functions examples in SQL. We have seen many videos and articles on how to get the highest salary, department-wise highest salary, and how to get the department second highest. So in this example, I am taking the one table called test players underscore TPL, where it contains 14 rows and 5 columns. The batsmen who crossed more than 10,000 runs in Test cricket were all included in this table. The batsmen from different countries are. Now I want to get the country-wise highest runs. Who made the country-wise highest runs in Test cricket and who made the department country-wise second highest runs? First, I am taking this example. Country-wise, who made max runs from this table. So whenever we use the aggregate function in the select statement, it is obvious to write group by class and a grouping with the column name. If you run this one, Australia, the batsman, the highest number of batsmen by the Australia is done by the 1378. 1378 means second highest. First highest is the Australian batsman Ricky Ponting made 13,378. In England, there are two batsmen there, and Alistair Cook made 40,000. Coming to India, Sachin Tendulkar, who is the top highest runs made in the world. We want to get the details of the player names also. Here, by running this query, just we get the uh, Australia, England, and different countries who made the runs, but without having details of the player name. For that, you have to write one up. You have to join and with same table and get the details. ID, name, runs from this table from the same table. I'm joining the same table. I give the alias name as A, inner join, and I made this first one as the subquery and give the alias name as B. Give the alias name for test runs for this. On is keyword. You have to join on a dot country name. A dot country is equal to B dot country. We give this as a B. We consider this as the derived name and the derived table and called as a B. So we can get the country name from the B table. And also you have to give one more condition. A dot runs. A table A dot runs is equal to B dot test runs. So you can get the country-wise highest runs made by the different bats. Brian Lara for West Indies, Sangakkara for Sri Lanka, Jacques Kallis South Africa, Yunus Khan Pakistan, Sachin Tendulkar for India, Alistair Cook England, and Ricky Ponting. These are one way to get the highest runs by country-wise. Second one also is one more query is there. By using the analytical functions, dense rank functions, you can get the same result. Now I am showing this one. Select country runs from the same table. I am copying this table first. Here I am writing the dense rank function. Dense rank for for all analytical functions. Over class is mandatory. Over partition by and country name. Partition by and country. If you want to get the department with salary, you have to give the partition on department name. Here country name. Partition by country and order by. To get the highest salary department with, you have to give order by salary. Here order by runs. Order by runs as test runs from this table. If you run this table, you will get partition by country wise partition and they give the ranking for all these players. In Australia, three batsmen were made more than 1,000 runs and order by runs DESC, sorry, descending order. So in Australia, there are three players made more than 10,000 runs, and Ricky Ponting and Alan Border and Steve Waugh were the players. Later, Alistair Cook and Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid and Sunil Gavaskar for India. By this way, you get the ranking. But here, we want a player with the highest runs in the country wise. So for country wise, if you want to get highest runs means you have to write some where condition here, where test runs and the column, the alias column we made here is where test runs is equal to on top of it to get. We want only one person. Country department is one person. If you run the person, you will get the country wise all persons who made the 10,000 runs. But we want only one person country wise. For that, you write on top of it one query. Select star from close it. You write the where condition where test runs where a dot test runs is equal to 1. So if you give this rank, we will take only first rank from the guns rank field. So you will get these many players country wise who made highest runs in test cricket are like this way you can get. And earlier there are two ways to get in first query also the same result you can get. In second query also first query it is 7 records. Second query also 7 records. In first query we join the table for the subquery and we comparing the data with the max runs in the subquery to main table runs a dot runs to b dot max runs b dot max runs and to get the result. And here we just give the rank and select the who made the test runs rank is equal to where rank is equal to 1. This way you get the result desired result. So these two is for the getting the country-wise highest runs made by the player. Now, in the similar way, by using the same table, you can get the second highest as well. I'm taking this. I'm answering the second question now. Department-wise highest salary like that. Country-wise second highest batsman. How can if you make it as two, then you will get the country-wise second highest batsman. Alan Border is the second highest batsman for Australia. And Joe Root for England, Rahul Dravid for India, Jayawardene for Sri Lanka, Chandrapal for West. To make it meaningful, this way you can get the rank for second highest country by second highest runs made by the batsman. And second query is one more query is there to get the second highest runs of the. Further, there are many sub queries you need to join. First, I am starting with sub query in inner query. Select max runs first. Dot runs from source table. From this table, if you run this query, highest runs made by the highest runs you will get that. But we want here to get the second highest runs. Second highest means you need to write some one more sub query. Select and again you will get the max runs. Max from same table, and here you need to put one where condition where runs is less than and make it this one is in inner query. If you run this one, you will get the second highest batsman. Who made the second highest runs in the table? It's Ricky Ponting, 13,378. So we want not runs, we want entire details of the Ricky Ponting, second highest batsman. For that, you need to add one more query. Select ID. This time you need to get the ID. Select ID stable where is equal to. Then you get the ID. Here it's from ID. You need to get the details of the person. Select star from players where ID in is equal to one more query, one more basis. Now you get the entire details of the. So I am explaining this query. First you get the max runs. If you run this query, you will get the highest runs made by the test batsman. And if you include the another query, if you select the max runs from the same table where runs is less than the highest runs, less than the highest runs means obviously we will get the second highest batsman. But we want details of this batsman. And where select ID from test players where runs is equal to run, runs is equal to this one 13,378. If you run this one, you get the ID. After that, finally you made this uh, to search for ID2. On top of it, you can write the one more query, select start from players to get all the results of the second ID batsman. You will get the second ID. So this way you have to get the result to get the second highest made by the second highest runs made by the test batsman. In a similar way, you might not get the confused. I think everything is same. First is the department with highest salary, and country wise highest runs here. Country wise highest runs. Country wise highest runs. The same way, department country wise second highest runs and country wise second highest runs and department wise second highest salary. Logic and logic is same, and query is also same. Just we changed the columns and the data for this one. If you once find that ranking function, you may get a number of salaries and a number of batsmen by just changing the rank. So this is how you know to get the result, desired result for a department wise highest and the department wise second highest salary by using the rank function and by using the inner join and subquery. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.